S&P 500 Index Analysis, Bullish Reversal Signals Potential Summer Rally. In the next few minutes, we will analyze the recent performance of the S&P 500 Index, SPX, and provide insights into its future outlook. The SPX experienced a volatile week, ending with a slight loss of -0.50%. However, a late-day rally on Friday, accompanied by double the normal volume, suggests a bullish sentiment. We will also discuss the impact of recent economic reports on the market and provide a summary of the recommended investment strategy. Last week's performance. After a substantial loss triggered by Boeing's earnings report, the S&P 500 Index managed to recover and close the week with a fractional gain of plus 0.03%. This resilience indicated a potential bullish sentiment in the market. Current week's analysis. The recent week was marked by volatility, with the SPX ending with a -0.50% loss. However, Friday's trading session saw a bullish outside reversal day, indicating a potential trend reversal. This pattern occurs when a declining trend is reversed by a day with lower lows than the previous day, closing at a higher high. Such days are usually followed by higher highs. Additionally, the strong performance of the S&P 500 Index in May suggests a potential summer rally for investors. Factors influencing the market. The U.S. economy grew at a slower pace of 1.3% during the first quarter of 2024, the smallest increase in almost 2 years. This slower growth rate may encourage the Federal Reserve to start easing and lower short-term interest rates. Fed policymakers expect inflation to return to 2% over the medium term, but recent data has not increased their confidence in progress toward this target. Furthermore, UBS strategists have raised their SPX target to 5,600 from 5,400, citing a better earnings outlook. Minneapolis Federal Reserve Bank President Neil Kashkari stated that positive inflation data over several months would be required to support rate cuts. Government spending has been identified as a factor contributing to high inflation. Impact of economic reports. Several economic reports released this week have influenced market sentiment. Home prices in major U.S. cities rose by 7.4% annually in March 2024, the highest increase since October 2022. This indicates a strong housing market. However, pending home sales decreased by 7.7% in April, primarily due to escalating interest rates throughout the month. The core personal consumption expenditure price index in the U.S. rose by 0.2% in April, below the previous 2 months' increase of 0.3%. Personal spending also slowed down, rising by 0.2% in April, the least since January. Investment strategy. The recommended investment strategy for the S&P 500 Index is a bullish position. The conservative S&P 500 strategy is designed to protect investors from bear markets, allowing for short-term declines without triggering sell signals. This strategy is based on long-term chart analysis and does not make changes based on emotions or news events. Conclusion. Despite the recent volatility, the S&P 500 Index shows signs of a potential bullish trend. The bullish outside reversal day and strong May performance suggest a summer rally for investors. Economic reports, such as home prices and personal spending, have influenced market sentiment. The recommended investment strategy is a bullish position in the S&P 500 Index or other S&P 500 Index funds or ETFs. This analysis is based on historical data and should not be considered as financial advice. Investors should conduct their own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.